Fgfrc here, coming to you from the man cave. And I am going out on a limb here. Going to do something totally different, something I haven't done. I've only done one other time, and it didn't really come out all that well. It's still fly by. This is my first, let me get it, my first balsa and pine plane. Okay, my first balsa and pine plane was this one here. It's the Fox 40 wingspan Fox from Value Hobby. It was $60. Everything was done. The everything was already hinged and everything. All you had to do is put it together and put a motor and everything in it. A little bit of gluing, a little bit. But my first ever. Now it was extremely tail heavy, and lots of people have suggested to buy some standoffs to pull my motor forward, and that should take care of. I added a bunch of weight. She still flies squirrely, but still a work in progress, and that's something I will do. Well, with that inspiration, I had purchased for $107 the Cessna L19 Bird Dog, the red and white version from Vmar or Checkmar. I don't know if it's Vmar or Checkmar, but they're from a distribution company called Heli Direct. Now, today is August 27th. I purchased this in the evening of August 25th. So, in 2 days, this thing arrived. My entire bill, I think it was, like I said, 107 or 99 or something like that. My whole bill with shipping and everything was $131, and it's here in 2 days. Now, like I said, this is just the kit, but one thing it boasts, this is unboxing, one thing that it boasts is that it's a no-glue assembly. So, according to the instructions. So, we're going to open this up. I am a little concerned because all over the box, the outer box, which is great, it says do not crush everywhere. even there it says do not crush. It's like, Okay, opening up, I got a little bag of goodies, and I don't know if this thing has lights, but it's got, no, I guess not, but it's already got all your wiring you need, extensions. Looks like, well, let's just open this up. I'm sorry if I'm a little farther away, but it's got, all right, that's the cover on the underside of the wheel, underside of the tail, because I've read the instructions online a couple of times, but looks like a Y, yeah, it's a Y harness for your ailerons, and very old. We don't use this style anymore, but that's okay, I have my own. The wire landing gear, all your linkage stoppers, all your control bits, control arms, everything you need, push rods, what you need to build your firewall with adjustable in and out so that you can fit your motor that you do. You have to. This is just a kit, so you have to provide your own motor, electronics, servos, radio. Oh, and there's a tail wheel. Very simple. Comes with the little wood washers. Everything looks like you just screw it together. So that's good. It does come with instructions. So we got that. Fiberglass, or perhaps plastic cowl. I think it's fiberglass though. Yeah, fiberglass. No, I'm sorry. It is plastic. With a very nice cowl for the front. Remember to save all your little bags. Struts that are already angled. Oh, they have, look at this. They have little hinges. Now, those of you who've been building models for a while and will look at this and say, that reminds me an awful lot of the Hobby King L19 Bird Dog. Well, guess what it is? It's the same one. These struts, basically, they're universal because you have hinges on either side. That way you can't really screw them up. Okay. And of course the fuselage. I'm very excited about this kit. It's going to be a simple 4-channel bird. Oh, it's got a pilot. One incredibly ugly pilot. Oh, there's a little wood valve. Push rods are already, oh good. Okay, this dents in, but it's got a nice little hatch there. Looks like it might be bent. Little hatch there for the top. Put your access. Simple. Oh, there's already, you can put your servos in there. Everything's already attached there. See right there. Yeah. All right. Well, that. Oh yeah, there's screw holes for the tail. Very nice. And little latch there for the, looks like for the battery. Oh, and that just tongue and grooves in. Very neat. Little latch there. I am very light, but it feels pretty strong. I like the decals are already applied. Already got, oh yeah, this is going to be a very simple build. Well, I mean, I say it should be a simple build. I've only put that other balsa plane together, so I'm not going to do a build video. I will do a build overview video of this plane and see if I run into any issues. Should be pretty simple, but since I'm not familiar with non-foamy planes, I'm going to build it, and then if I run into any snags or anything is particular, I will show them to you or bring them to light. Make sure I don't cut into my wing here. This is going to be probably a very nice, relaxing flying bird. Oh yeah, look at this. The finish. There's no dent. Oh, it's already got, looks like CA hinges in there. And they are already there. I don't have to put any glue at all. So all I gotta do is put my servo in and fish my line through there. Oh man, that is great. That is really nice. Okay, and like I said, has a spar there. The other wing, no, maybe a little dent right there. Can't tell if that's the way that's supposed to be. May just be the way. There's a little dent there, but no big deal. Nice strong hinges. There are no flaps, and there's no provisions for flaps. So that's that. But like I say, I'm going to put it together, but I'm not going to do a build video because I don't have enough practice at this type of build, and that means for a very long video, and I don't want to do that. Not that you're not worth it, but I don't think you want to sit through an hour-long video for a very simple little plane, and I need to get a little more practice and polish at that type of video anyways, with this type of build. So anyways, at least I'm getting her out of the box here. Oh, this is cool. The horizontal or the vertical stabilizer screws in. I don't have to worry about gluing it in. It actually screws in. It's got the little screws already there. Oh, there's a little, where I hooked that tail wheel, there's like a little hardened tube with a plastic reinforcement so I can steer. Looks like I'm just attaching control arms. Nice. Oh man, this is going to be nice. Yeah, and I'll just be attaching some control arms. So probably will help. I'll probably screw those in, but I'll probably reinforce them with some CA. Want to make sure this plastic is like incredible strong plastic. So. All right. Again, nice. You got 4 hinges, very nicely done. Yeah, I'm very pleased. This is going to be a fantastic flying plane. I can already got that sense that it's going to be a great flying plane. But there you go. There's my. And the wing spar was aluminum spar. So to give you an idea of the scale of this plane, it's going to be just a matter of sliding everything together. Be careful here. Oh, there's a little, yeah, it doesn't fit like that. There is a little piece of wood in there blocking, unless that fits. No. All right, so I'll have to remove that piece of wood, I guess. But hopefully that's explained in the instructions. But there's already 2 holes there for that to go into, and you can't mess up the that. There's screws that will go into the wing to hold it on, and then there's the spar that will go through there. So just give you an idea of what the plane, the dimensions. So well, there you go. And of course this is going to fit right on the front there. So okay, all right, well there you go. That's the unboxing. Like I said, I think the only hiccup is this is little kind of flared up a little bit to making it dent in, but that is going to be not a problem. It just tongues and grooves in and then attaches right there. So there you go. Little windows are already installed, so should be a simple build, hopefully. But I do have instructions. So yes, this was a Hobby King at one time, but like I said, I don't think it's an issue. I think she's going to go together just fine. I don't know what Jmar or Vmar is. I do know that HeliDirect is where I got it from. I'll put a purchase link for this plane in the description of this unboxing video. But I do know that HeliDirect makes the higher end jets, the $1,000 plus jets, the turbines and stuff. So check out their website. They also have an eBay store. That's how I found it. And then I found that they have a regular website. And thank you. We'll get her together and we'll do a post-build video and we'll see what we think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Gotta turn the video off.